So yeah, this is the ninth experiment, which is also a continuation of eighth experiment, which is a continuation of seventh experiment. So for this question allocated for me is library book management. In seventh experiment, I have done the whole part to add a book name, author name, and the number of copies which is available. And the eighth experiment, I have added a function. I have created a function where, like, to search for a particular book's name and to show number of copies available and stuff. Now I'm in the ninth experiment. I'm creating an application to update the number of copies which is available, same which we already did. I'm just using the same, as you can see, I'm just using the Google services, same thing which I'm already did there. So especially here, as per we have did in the previous, I'm initializing the Firebase here, and here I'm just initializing using these controllers. I'm getting the values, number of copies and stuff, because as you can see, we will see in the output there are two fields which will be there. So using this, I'm in the initialized state. I'm just using the title. I'm going to search. So in using the DB, I'm just going to send the collections, because as you can see in the Firebase, I'm just using the collection name books. So in that, I'm using the dot where I'm just going to search the title. So if it is found, I'll get it. If not, no book found with this title will be given as the status. So these are all for checking the number of copies and stuff. So the one important part here is yeah, here this doc is like we'll have a separate field where we can update the number of copies which is available. So this particular line helps us to update it and show it in the UI. So these are all basic things which we already did using this controllers. I'm just getting in the text field, I'm getting the values using so as for the output, so as we have already seen, we have the test1 book. So I have 122 copies. I'm just going to change it to 12 copies. As you can see, it is updated well. Thank you.